Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Oppo model and Android version because menus vary. This matters. Once done, make sure battery is above 10% and turn off third-party battery apps to avoid conflicts. Now, open Settings and go straight to Battery or Battery Saver. Do not search random menus. You will see the Active Saver Mode indicator. Tap it to view options. This first move reveals control toggles and scheduled rules, which you will change in the next step to restore normal performance. You will now disable the saver. Tap Battery Saver and flip the main switch off. This immediately restores CPU and network behavior. Then, check Adaptive or Ultra Saver. Disable any scheduled activation like at 20%. Next, inspect background activity restrictions and set essential apps to allowed so notifications and sync work. Make sure doze or aggressive app hibernation is off. These steps undo limiting rules, and once completed, your apps and performance return to normal without needing a reboot. Unless you finish by verifying behavior, check notifications, background sync, and performance. If things still seem restricted, restart the phone. That often applies changes. Make sure to clear settings cache or reset battery preferences next. This removes corrupted toggles. If the problem persists, update your system software because bugs can lock modes, and as an absolute last resort use factory reset after backing up. One key tip: if Battery Saver relaunches, check automation apps or profiles that may re-enable it automatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.